guys, Dassah Mariee, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on these extensions that I just got, you guys. I'm loving the packaging. I love when it always comes with these colorful packages. I really love the pink. I think it's super cute. It does have the elastic straps right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and then you guys can see what it looks like. And also I do love a lot of these companies, they send gifts with the hair, so you guys see you do get a pair of lashes. 5D's 100% handmade lashes. Just look how cute these are, and I love the gold glitter packaging, super cute. And then I'm going to show you guys the extensions. So right here, these are these clip-in extensions, best for you. This is how it looks in the plastic case. I just really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. This is also in the length 16 inches, and let's go ahead and open it. Take it out the plastic. And then one thing I do love about these hair companies, they do have the black netting on it to keep the hair in good condition, you know, once it's coming in transit. So I just took the netting off, and I just want to say, look at the quality of this hair. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look. Look at the quality of this hair. And then I want to show you guys this. Look at the bottom of it. It does have like a little curl at the ends, but it's so nice and silky. I could run my fingers through it. Here it is. I did take it off the paper so you guys could get a better look of the bundles up close, because these are pretty thick bundle in good condition. And just a better up close and personal look at the actual hair itself. How flowy, how silky it is. And this hair is 100% human hair. It is just the bundles, and if you guys look a little bit closer, the clips are inside. A little bit of the clips, but just in general, you could put the clips in right here. Great quality. I just honestly have no complaints. Just right here how it looks if I was to wear it. And this wig is 100% human hair wig I'm wearing, and look how good it blends if I wanted to, if this was just adding onto your own natural hair. I think is a great quality. I really recommend this. So if you guys are interested in getting your bundles, go ahead and check the description. I will have a link to the Amazon store where this hair is from. And there should be a coupon code if you order now, and if you do have Prime, you know, it's free shipping and everything like that. So definitely recommend this. If you guys enjoyed this review, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's free. And stay tuned for future videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye.